Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Koekar and today I will show you the data logger kit. This data logger kit is designed by me. In this data logger kit, I am using the Bluetooth module which transfer the real-time data of a sensor to our Android. First of all, I will explain the hardware part and afterward I will demonstrate you operation of this data logger kit. In this data logger kit, I am using this fan for cooling purpose which connected to the 12 volt and 1 ampere transformer and full wave bridge rectifier. From full wave bridge rectifier, the power supply are given to the voltage reducer or regulator circuit, and from regulator circuit is distributed to the all kit. This is a main microcontroller. This is a keyboard or keypad, LCD display, another microcontroller which connected to the speaker, amplifier unit and SD card module. This is a SD card module. In this SD card module, the all real-time data of sensor is stored. This whole circuit are connected to this sensor module. This sensor module required 24 volt power supply. In this sensor module, I have connected this push button and potentiometer. This push button gives the digital signal in form of zeros and one, and potentiometer gives the analog signal, are also called as the analog input AI. I already turn on the power supply. If I press this logout button, you will clearly hear the sound "Welcome to PLC Data Logger." Welcome to Data Logging System designed for PLC. When I press this login button, the system asks me to feed the right password. If my password is right, then only the system give me the access. Please enter valid login ID. I enter the right password, that's why the system give me the access and the PLC data logger menu is open. First of all, we feed the date and time, then we enter into the sensor data. Please enter valid date. Your sensor real-time data is showing below. Data logging start. Here we clearly see that the sensor status, wall status and analog value, and last line represented how much data are stored in SD card. This is SD card. In this SD card, the real-time data of our sensor module. This is sensor module. This sensor module data are stored in this SD card. When I press this push button on LCD display, you can clearly see that the wall status is showing on. Now on LCD display you can clearly see that the wall status is off. If I start rotating this knob of potentiometer, the analog value is generated and this analog value is showing in this LCD display. The value is continuously increasing. Now the time to see this all real-time data of sensor on our Android. I turn on Bluetooth, open my Bluetooth app, search for device, connected the Bluetooth module, and here we see the real-time data of our data kit. This is our real-time data. In this data, we can clearly see that the sensor status. If I pause this, sensor status, inventor name, date and time. In this video, I am only connected the two sensors which is mounted in the sensor module. As per the industrial application, we can connected the multiple sensor. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe